guys, Pammy's back, but today it'll be a bit different. No reviews, no tutorial, basically just me venting. So that's what's happening today. If you follow me on Instagram, by the way, my Instagram is pam.e. There's 2 I's in there. You would see that I do a lot of creative makeup looks. And I don't really film them because I'm not super well equipped. And I always go from like a mirror to another one. So literally I'm like walking around the house to find like the perfect light for that side of my face or this side of my face. And it's just like I'm super close to the mirror. And it takes so long to do these type of makeup looks. Like it takes me between 3 to 6 hours sometimes. So it's so tough that I don't necessarily film them. And sometimes I even screw up. Like I spend hours doing something and I want to create that illusion and then I'm like, ugh, like we don't see anything. But this time I wanted to create a pop art makeup look, black and white, and I really wanted to film it. So I put my camera on. This is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna watch this video together. So this is before I actually started the makeup look, okay? Let's just watch. So we're doing this. Oh, I forgot my hair tie. If only that was the only problem about this video, okay? Let's just continue watching. What's up guys? So happy to be back. Today you're gonna see the process of a creative makeup look. So this video was not planned at all. Nothing of what happened in this video was planned. But I often post creative makeup looks on Instagram. And since I wanted to create one today, and again, I'm back on YouTube and we're happy to see how happy I am? So let's not waste time and start. Alright guys, I have no clue where my camera stopped at the crucial moment where I was like drawing every outline on my face. But I had a feeling I like got up and I was like, oh my god, it wasn't recording. So this is Pissed Pam, so you're gonna see me in all my moods, I think. So, I know I look super sweet here, but I was really pissed. Like inside I was pissed, so you don't really feel it, but I was so mad. And at this exact moment I was like, do I continue filming or do I stop? Like I already missed the whole beginning. I'm like, no, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try and continue filming. So basically all I did is really just draw where I'll put like the dark areas. So everywhere inside of those lines will be black and gray and outside will be white. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm telling you, need a better camera, guys. If you feel generous, please don't hesitate to send a camera over. I'm joking. Not, but I mean, no, I'm joking. Oh, I'm a little rough on my forehead here. Alright guys, so now that the white is applied pretty much everywhere, I'm gonna go ahead with a gray cream just here and I will start creating the shadow. Look how confident I am here. Like, look at me going. You see the process is going so well. I mean, look at this, so smooth. Wow. Go ahead with the black now and add the black details that are missing. Guys, this is the most important part and this is where it all started going wrong. So let's watch. Do you see what I'm doing? Like, wow. Do you guys see the process? Like, what a beautiful forehead. Wow. Whoa, how did we get to this result? We don't know. So guys, that's the final look. I am super proud here, look at me. Like, I'm pausing. I can't wait to post my next video, but I need to be out of here for now. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye. I was in a rush to leave because I was like, whoa, this makeup look, I nailed it. It's so cool. I'm gonna take pictures now and post it on Instagram. And I was like so proud because I'm like, I filmed it. You're gonna see the process. It's amazing. So then I took my pictures, I posted them on Instagram and I got super excited the next day. I'm like, go, I'm editing this. And I was like, where am I? Like the only thing I could see was like my forehead. And I know that you guys saw it only for like 10 seconds, but it was my forehead for like a good hour. So just to say that I was extremely discouraged, okay? Like honestly, why? Like why? I'm out of here, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to click on the notification bell. I promise that in my next video you'll see the whole face and the whole thing. One last thing before I go. When I was watching the footage, when it got to the point where I had to take pictures for my Instagram page, I started like touching my makeup and it was like I was ruining it. And so I started panicking and it was so funny to watch that I decided to put all of those like panic Pammy moments and show you guys. I mean, you know, what is this video about anyways? It's like me making fun of me. So why not? Why not? Enjoy, guys. Pour vrai, mais how? No! It's becoming a mess, guys. Like, what am I doing? No. I feel like I'm only getting it worse. Like,